You don't need to be an expert to grow orchids successfully. Today, we're going to explore a brand new secret formula together. If you enjoy this, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to support our channel. This orchid of ours hasn't bloomed or produced a flower spike in quite a long time. Today, let's take a closer look at it and see what might be going on. Maybe it's getting ready to surprise us. Let's find out together. Let's take a closer look at the roots together and trim off any that are unhealthy. So, I'll trim away the damaged roots, helping the plant focus nutrients on stimulating new, healthy roots. Trimming old, worn-out roots not only relieves the plant from supporting weak roots, but also encourages stronger new ones. These new roots will absorb water and nutrients more effectively, aiding quick recovery after repotting. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to support me and never miss any orchid care tips. Next, we're going to use 3 grapes. Chop these 3 grapes into small pieces. Grapes may seem like an unusual ingredient in orchid care, but they actually offer a gentle, natural boost packed with nutrients. Grapes contain a variety of beneficial compounds such as natural sugars, antioxidants, vitamins, especially vitamin C and some B-complex vitamins, and essential minerals like potassium, magnesium, and iron. These elements work together to support the overall vitality of the orchid. We'll use just a small amount of grapes. Too much can burn the orchid. Blend them well to release more vitamins and nutrients for better absorption. Pour 250 milliliters of water. We'll strain the mixture through a cloth to separate the liquid from the pulp, ensuring that only the nutrient-rich liquid goes to the orchid. When applied in a diluted form, often as part of a homemade organic fertilizer grape, nutrients primarily support root development and flower stimulation. The natural sugars provide an instant source of energy, which helps fuel metabolic processes in the orchid. Let's dilute the mixture with 500 milliliters of clean water. This helps make the solution more balanced and prevents overloading the orchid. Too many nutrients can actually harm the plant and make it more susceptible to damage or death. Stir the solution. Let's let the solution rest for 15 minutes. Pour the mixture into a small cup. Next, we'll use a cotton cloth to gently wipe the leaves. Wiping the leaves of the orchid helps keep the plant clean and free from dust, dirt, and any potential bacteria or fungi. Over time, dust and debris can accumulate on the leaves, blocking sunlight and reducing the plant's ability to photosynthesize effectively. Using this grape solution helps the orchid by providing a range of essential vitamins and nutrients, including vitamins A, C, D, and B complex vitamins, which are vital for the plant's overall health. These vitamins help promote vibrant green leaves, encourage strong growth, and boost the plant's immune system, making it more resistant to diseases. The nutrients also enhance the plant's ability to photosynthesize more efficiently by opening the stomata pores on the leaves, allowing better absorption of sunlight and improving the process of photosynthesis. Additionally, the natural compounds in grapes have antifungal and antibacterial properties that help protect the orchid from harmful bacteria, fungi, and pests like red scale insects. This makes the plant more resilient and less likely to attract harmful pests. The grape solution also strengthens the plant's defenses, creating a protective barrier that helps keep harmful microorganisms away, promoting healthier, more vigorous growth. The second method is perfect for those who are busy. You can simply use a spray bottle to mist the grape solution onto the surface of the orchid's leaves. This allows you to provide the plant with the same benefits of nutrients and protection without spending much time. With this method, the orchid will absorb most of the nutrients efficiently, while also spreading moisture and improving the humidity around other plants. This technique helps the orchid stay lush, vibrant, and glossy. It's important to spray in the early morning or late evening because during these times, the plant isn't exposed to direct sunlight. In the morning, when there's less sunlight, the orchid can absorb the nutrients better without the risk of dehydration. In the evening, the plant can take in the moisture and nutrients without the stress of intense heat, allowing it to store up energy for the next day's growth. This timing ensures that the orchid receives the maximum benefit without harm. Next, we will use 3 small tablespoons of fresh milk. Dilute the mixture with 3 liters of clean water. Because milk is quite concentrated, and using it undiluted could potentially harm the orchid. Diluting the milk helps to evenly distribute the nutrients and ensures that the orchid absorbs the beneficial properties without overwhelming it. Stir the solution. Combine with grape solution. Let's let the solution rest for 15 minutes. After letting the solution sit for 15 minutes, we can proceed to the third step by using the liquid to water the orchid. We will water the plant thoroughly. When we combine grape juice and milk, it creates a powerful solution for nourishing your orchid. Grape juice, rich in natural sugars, vitamins like A and C, and antioxidants, helps stimulate the orchid's growth. It encourages the roots to develop more actively, which allows the plant to absorb nutrients more efficiently. Be careful not to overdo it. Using this solution once every 2 weeks is sufficient to provide the orchid with all the nutrients it needs without overloading it. Overuse could lead to excess nutrients in the soil, which could harm the plant. It's also best to apply this solution in the early morning or late evening when the orchid is not exposed to direct sunlight, as this helps the plant absorb the nutrients more effectively. When we soak the plant in this solution, it not only provides nutrients, but also has antibacterial properties and helps prevent the spread of diseases. It can reduce pests like red spider mites, scale insects, and other harmful bugs. Additionally, it helps to control fungal infections and bacterial growth, providing the orchid with better protection. This mixture helps to strengthen the plant's resistance, making it less susceptible to pests and diseases. Do you know any other effective ways to grow orchids even better? Feel free to share your tips in the comments below so everyone can learn. If you find this helpful, don't forget to leave a great comment, like, and subscribe to support our channel. This is the typical method I use to take care of my orchids at home, and honestly, it has brought amazing results. Over time, I've noticed that this approach really boosts root development. Roots grow much faster and stronger. Not only that, but the flower spikes also emerge more quickly and with greater energy. These particular orchids you're seeing here have been following this care routine consistently for the past 3 to 4 months. And the difference is clear. The leaves have become rich green, plump, and full of life. They wrap around tightly, which is a great sign of healthy internal hydration and strong metabolism. The plants just look more vibrant, more resilient, and absolutely ready to bloom. If you're someone who's been struggling with slow growth or weak spikes, I highly recommend trying this method. Soak it for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, the orchid has fully absorbed the vitamin and mineral-rich solution. Now, let's gently take a soft cloth and wipe away any excess moisture left on the leaves. This step helps prevent water buildup that could lead to rot, while also giving the plant a clean, fresh finish. Be gentle, treat your orchid with care, and it will thank you with beautiful growth. Don't underestimate this step. It's more important than it seems. If you leave too much excess water sitting on the leaves, it can lead to rot. The leaves may absorb more than they should, creating soft, soggy spots that become breeding grounds for disease, bacteria, and fungal infections. It also makes it much easier for pests to spread. So take a moment, be thorough, and gently wipe your orchid dry. This small act goes a long way in keeping your plant healthy and strong. Some people say that after spraying or soaking, there's no need to wipe the orchid leaves. What do you think about this? In humid climates or during cooler months, leaving moisture on the leaves can increase the risk of rot, fungus, or pest infestations. Wiping helps prevent these issues by reducing excess moisture. But if your space is airy and dry, maybe you can skip it occasionally. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's learn from each other. After 2 full weeks of consistent care and using the nutrient-rich treatments we've talked about, its leaves have become noticeably greener, thicker, and more vibrant, radiating a healthy, glossy sheen. But the most exciting part? A brand new flower spike has begun to emerge. Its leaves have become noticeably greener, thicker, and more vibrant, radiating a healthy, glossy sheen that signals strong internal growth. The plant is responding incredibly well to the routine, from the leaf treatments to the moisture control and organic supplements. This kind of result is exactly what we hope for when nurturing orchids with patience and the right method. The roots are being stimulated and are growing more abundantly, which is a fantastic sign of vitality. As the roots become more active and spread, they support the orchid in absorbing water and nutrients more efficiently. This leads to a visibly healthier plant, overall stronger, more vibrant, and full of life. The roots turn a fresh green hue, plump and moist, signaling that the orchid is thriving from within. With roots like this, you can expect lush growth above and the energy needed to push out stunning flower spikes in the near future. And that wraps up today's episode. If you found it helpful or inspiring, don't forget to leave a comment below and let us know what you'd like to see in the next episode. Your ideas truly help shape our content. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, give it a like, hit that subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.